Sales leaders make critical decisions every day on pipeline territory and revenue performance, but the answers they need can be scattered across systems, locked in spreadsheets and reports that arrive too late to act on. Sales Research Agent for Dynamics. 365 Sales helps transform those scattered data points into actionable insights using AI and natural language interaction. Start by selecting a business context, such as operations research. This helps define priorities, responsibilities, and data governance rules, ensuring every analysis follows a consistent structure. The agent works directly with Dynamics 365 Sales and can also combine information from Dataverse, Fabric Lakehouse, and external files, including Excel, CSV, and PDF documents. Using this data, Sales Research Agent creates a guided analytical workflow that uncovers trends, relationships, and business signals directly within an interactive workspace. Insights are presented through dynamic visualizations, summarized findings, and suggested actions, while also showing how conclusions were generated for better transparency and confidence. Users can continue exploring results by refining questions, updating charts, adding new data sources, or drilling deeper into specific insights. Every interaction expands the context, enabling more advanced and continuous analysis over time. Getting started is simple. Enable the agent, connect your data, and configure your business functions. The answers were always in your data. Now, with Sales Research Agent in Dynamics 365 Sales, you can finally access them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more videos ahead about Microsoft technologies and how they can help your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.